In the last 1 month, my YouTube channel got over 15k new subscribers, guys. In the last 1 month, got over 15k new subscribers. Now, this is because I tried a new features which I found interesting on YouTube, and I decided to try it out. All right, so this is my analytic for the last past. Let's say this YouTube channel has been existing for up to 2 to 3 years, guys, and I was even struggling to get about 50 to 100 subscribers. But something happened immediately. I found out this very pattern, this very trick. My YouTube channel growth moved from 50 subscribers to 6k subscribers, and currently now is on 17k subscribers just in a period of 1 to 2 months, guys. And these are real interesting things that I would even want to reveal in this video. Let me tell you something. If you're a new YouTuber, you cannot just sleep overnight and wants to wake up revealing other people's secrets and how they are doing well on YouTube, and then you want the same thing to be applied to yours. It takes consistency, it takes progress, it takes effort. I know this may be a trick that made it easier for me, and I will even share with you as well. But as a new YouTuber, you should not always expect to wake up at night without doing anything. YouTube is not all about coming online, creating a video and uploading the video, and then you just decide to boom, the video will go viral. You have to understand one thing. One is consistency. You have to be consistent in uploading your videos. At least YouTube needs, if you're a new YouTuber, uploading 2 to 3 videos daily is a very good start if you have. But at least as a YouTuber, try to always make sure you upload at least one video daily if you are new, very new. And when you start having subscribers, because you cannot compare yourself to those that are already having a community here in YouTube. There are people that has a community that can even go online and be like, hi, before you know, the video will just be like, boom. They will be having thousands and millions of views. So you that is a new YouTuber, you don't have, number one, you don't have a subscriber, so you don't have a community. Community is very important. You've not built your community yet, and you cannot just expect your video, you cannot just expect coming online to post a video and then your video will be like, boom, you start trending everywhere, going viral. There are people that already has a community online here. All right, so if you're a new YouTuber, I want you to try this feature. It helps you gain subscribers, and it helps you from the subscriber. You can build a community whereby your subscribers will know you. Okay, let's say for instance, you see other channels that are like kind of in entertainment. Entertaining video is different from education, where people are learning something from. So as a YouTuber, you cannot be like, you want to compare, let's say, a new YouTuber yourself to iShow Speed. That sometimes the iShow Speed, the popular streamer that many of us know, is #1 worldwide streamer. There are sometimes that he will come online before the next 5 to 10 minutes. He will have thousands of views, even being on live stream. He has thousands of views, thousands, and you'll be seeing his subscribers count to be increasing till currently now is above 15 million subscribers here on YouTube. So as a new subscriber, you cannot be going through all those kind of channels to be comparing yourself. It takes process, it takes consistency. And one thing you have to be, is that as a new YouTuber, when I started, I tried different things. From niche, I was like, oh, maybe my niche is a problem. I changed niche, changed this from one niche to another, from second niche to another, trying to look for a niche maybe that will be suitable for me, so that I will know that, okay, I'm good at this niche. One thing you have to know is, as you are changing your niche, you are confusing the algorithm. You are not making the algorithm. Let's say, for instance, today you are an Afrobeat star. Tomorrow you are a comedian. Next tomorrow you come to lecture online. You are confusing the niche. Don't forget, if you have a one subscriber, once you post a video, your first videos, YouTube will first of all push it to your subscriber. Now if that subscriber followed you because of your niche, let's say you were into entertainment aspect, then he followed you because of entertainment, because of your video which he saw online and it was entertaining. Then tomorrow you switch your niche to football. Now football, that's also an entertainment stuff niche, but it's a very different angle from being into Afrobeat or being a singer, being a comedian. It's a very different. The person may not be interested in football at all. And then once YouTube push your video for him, and he clicked on it and he saw that, oh, this is not what I'm interested in, he will swipe out. Now your watch hours count, your CPR count, it's one of the things that will make YouTube to continue pushing your videos to other people, pushing and be pushing and be pushing. Now if the first video person got your video and then swipe, that's your subscriber. The second person saw your video and then did not watch. Before you know, this is what is killing your reach. Now someone messaged me on my group where I was having a class and said, sir, I already my channel is monetized, but anytime I tried posting, I will notice that my growth, my reach, my views started dropping and dropping. I used to have up to 20k views, 50k views, but it drops like this. She reported a case to me whereby a video she posted 2 days ago is having only 1 views, and this is someone that has been monetized. This is someone that has been monetized, and even the shots that she has been posting, she said her shots are no longer going, and long videos are no longer going viral, and then the monetization is, she's even been kind of frustrating. I take a look at I asked her to send me a channel link. She sent me the link. I went to her channel, checked on some things. I found out that the hook of the videos, the hook means the first 3 seconds of the videos, was not entertaining at all, was not interesting. Now she was into comic folk tales and storytellings. I found out that there was one video that once the video just came up after the adverts, normally when you click on a channel that has been monetized, the first thing that will display is an in-stream ad. After the in-stream ad, I found out that a video that she posted about it, for the first 5 seconds, the video was just silent, and it was just an animation rolling, and the animation was not, it was kind of, it was not interesting, not as if it's something that was catchy or attracting attention. So I have to go back and told her that this is the very first video I'm viewing, and from what I can tell you, this very first video, especially the one you said you posted 2 days ago, this is not catching attention at all. My first review is that your first 5 seconds is very poor, and once the first person, and if this is what you've been doing, the more YouTube push this to me today, I swipe it without watching. I've not even watched up to 10 seconds. Tomorrow YouTube will show me someone else video before showing your own. And if I keep skipping your videos for like consistently for like 3, 4, 5 times, before you know, it's very hard for me to even be seeing your videos online. So she needs to go back and work on her hook, work on her first 3 to 5 seconds of that video. If possible, you can at least go to an interesting part of your video, cut out that part, and then move it to the front. Let's catch an attention. After catching the attention of the audience, of the viewers, from there you can reverse and start from the beginning if you know that the beginning of your video is not catching attention. So this is something that many of you have been missing out when uploading a video, when editing a video. All right, so back to what I was saying before I have to jump into this. My YouTube growth moved from 50 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, and currently now 17,000 subscribers here on YouTube. All right, so how I was able to achieve this, basically my target, as when I was starting this channel new, my target was what I really target was to get audience first. So I continue posting shorts. So YouTube shorts, normally posting YouTube shorts are not like posting long videos. Long videos, it has to be interesting before people can continue watching. But when you post a 20-second short, there are some people that will click on it, and before you know, it has reached the end of the video. And this YouTube will find it interesting and will continue pushing it. Now posting YouTube shorts, from there I get subscribers, my viewers start increasing. From there, YouTube algorithm picked up my shorts, and to a point whereby if I drop any short now, it will start going viral and be going viral. This is a short I dropped, although this was a duet. Doing duet is one of the secrets to gaining subscribers on YouTube. So if you know that you don't have a real content idea, but you need subscribers, you can continue duetting on other people's content, that are interesting and grabbing attention, that's just at their engagement. So I duet. Let me show you one of the videos I duet to you here. This is a Minecraft video. which I dwelt on. This video only got me 22.2k views and gave me 59 subscribers. All right, if I go to another video here, you see this video. This video hits 25.9k views and got me about 1.5 new subscribers. All right, so this video was posted 7 days ago. So if you know that this, and please, when you are duetting, also always make sure that you duet based on your niche, so that the subscribers you are getting will be people that are interested on your niche. Now, as for me, this is also my niche. This is my niche. I've been creating Minecraft, Roblox games, videos. So that's why I continue duetting on this. Although there are some niche that if you duet on them, the subscriber count will reduce, and then you may not have so much followers based on how interesting it can be. All right. So if you are into entertainment or comedy, duet on people that are into comedy. So that's one secret that got me pushing, gave me thousands and massive subscribers. I would like you to try this video, and if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe to my channel so that I can continue seeing more of this, and also I can continue bringing more and more details on how you can grow your YouTube channel to you. Thank you. My name remains Chris David.